In today's video, I'm going to do a subscriber request. One of my subscribers, Molly, asked me to do a beef stroganoff video. Beautiful. Thank you for tuning in. Beef stroganoff. Let's get started. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Our pan is hot, so we're gonna start with some grapeseed oil. I know it wasn't in the description, but we're gonna use the grapeseed to sear these steaks with its high smoke point qualities. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna sear them all the way around. Okay, now we're on to the final side. Alright, now let's turn them on. Sear them well on both sides for at least 3 minutes. Don't touch it. You just want to create a nice sear on the steak and also creating fond at the bottom of the pan. Alright, I'm going to turn her over. Beautiful. Our steaks are seared, so now we're just gonna hold them, let them cool down before we cut them. Alright, so I removed the oil from the steaks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a little olive oil. I gotta open the bottle here, it's brand new. Just a little oil. And we're going to hit it with some butter. Excellent. Our butter has melted. So let's go ahead and throw in the shallots. Should go pretty fast after this. Once the shallots get translucent and sweated, put in the onions. Yeah, looks like I have. Excellent. So that was a whole onion that I julienne. The onions are sweated, so in goes the mushrooms. I will season later. Those steaks were seasoned really well, so there's plenty of salt in the pan. So we're gonna give that a taste a little later. Let's, in the meantime, cook these mushrooms with the onions. I'm going to give it another pat of butter. The mushrooms are looking marvelous. Excellent. Now we're going to hit it with some flour. The flour has been cooked. I could smell the nuttiness come off the pan. So now it's time to hit it with our garlic. Wow, the aroma's coming off the pan. Incredible. Very nice. The garlic is flagrant. So we're going to hit it with a cup of wine. And a shot of cognac. Deglaze the bottom of the pan. I hit it with about a half a cup of that cognac. Yeah, pick up the fond from the bottom of the pan. Beautiful. Alright, let's give her another taste here. Okay, just a little more. I'm just tasting to see if the cognac alcohol cooks away so it's left with its nutty sweetness. Just a few more minutes. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. Now we're going to hit it with our stock. And incidentally, our cream is coming up to a scald, so we're going to add hot cream to this. Beautiful. Our steaks have cooled, so let's cut our steaks. These long ones, I'm simply going to cut them this way. Beautiful. That's beautiful right there. These larger ones, I'm going to cut in half. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest, put them back on the plate. Let's continue with the sauce. Alright, so let's give this a taste. Yeah, really beefy, with a little salt. Shot of Worcestershire. Was it in the ingredients? But yes. Break out the Worcestershire, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, the aroma's coming off. Let's give that another tasty taste. Our sauce is ready. It's just under seasoned because we're still cooking. I ended up using that entire beef broth, and in goes our beef, along with our juices, of course. Oh yes. She's starting to just do a light simmer. I'm going to put the lid on her. Put the heat down to low. Let her go in a good 15-20 minutes until the beef is tender. And our cream is ready. She's coming to a scald, so she's just going to hang out. Alright, it's been 30 minutes of it simmering. Let's check. Excuse me, let's check for tenderness. So I just got a nice piece right there. Hope you can see it. Yeah, that's pretty tender. Okay. My cream has come to temperature. I mean, I've scalded it, and then she's been holding. Let me grab a pot holder. But I'm still going to add a little of the kind of temper it in just in case. And here we go. Beautiful. We're gonna let this come together. Alright, she's up to a simmer. So let's add the sour cream. So we're gonna temper the sour cream. Bring it up to slowly bring it up to temperature so it won't curdle on us. Just a little more. Wow, one more. I think one more will do it. Looks marvelous. It sure does. It looks marvelous. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add a nice big tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Alright, she's come together. Let's give her a taste. Alright, we're going to add a little lemon juice to liven her up. Another dash of Worcestershire. She's ready. Delicious. I balanced off the flavors with some lemon juice, salt, sugar. We needed some sugar in there, and I added more of the sour cream. But she's delicious. Let's plate this beef stroganoff. Alright, so let's start off with some egg noodles. They're not buttered, they're nice and thirsty, ready to accept that beautiful sauce. Now let's top it off with our sauce. Oh, that looks delicious. Beautiful. Some chopped parsley. Let's finish it off with some parsley plushes. My neighbor's blowing off fireworks already. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Let's give it a taste. All right. Let's take a taste here. Beautiful. Let's see here. About a little noodle, a little beef. That was delicious. Beefy and creamy with the egg noodles, the wine and the cognac. I balanced off the flavors with some lemon juice, salt, and a little sugar, just to bring up that nuttiness of the liquor. Beautiful. Molly, I hope you try this, and I hope all of you try this recipe at home. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. If you like the video, hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, I don't know what you're waiting for. So, once again, thank you so much for being here with me tonight, and we'll see you guys here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.